Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time on the 10th of December 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that so long as we're able to remain below this supply zone, we're likely to continue moving to the downside. But if we go above this supply zone, then we're most likely to move to the upside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market gapped up. This was a bullish gap and actually changes the chart, making the odds of a continuation of the move to the upside more likely. So on Tuesday, the market moved to the upside. And on Wednesday, we actually closed above this supply zone, meaning the odds are we're likely to go up to the supply zone above. On Thursday, the market continued moving higher, and on Friday we actually moved into the supply zone, closed up for the week, but moved down from this supply zone. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? So if we're able to move above and close above this supply zone, then it's most likely we're going to continue moving to the upside. If not, we may move down to this area below. If we hold this area, hold a higher low here, then we may move to the upside again and break above this supply zone. If not, we're likely to continue moving to the downside, or we may very well go sideways. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. On the weekly chart, you can see that this move down made a new low. So the move up is most likely to make a lower high, so long as we're able to remain below this supply zone. So this week we may continue moving to the upside to the supply zone, or if we fail to do that, we may very well start our move down and put in a lower high and continue moving to the downside. Now if we take a look at the monthly chart, we can see that we're moving up from this demand zone here, but we've put in a lower high and we're expecting potentially a lower low below this area. So if we continue moving to the upside above this bar over here, then we're most likely to continue moving to the upside. And if not, we may very well, once we break, and if we break below this area, move all the way down to this demand zone below. And if we fail to do either of them, we may very well move sideways for the time being between this demand zone below and the supply zone above. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a free webinar I'm hosting tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll leave a link to the webinar below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog, and sign up for the webinar. What we're going to do is take a look at the charts from 2017, and we're going to look at the opportunities that were had in 2017, and then we'll look forward to 2018 and what's setting up for some large trading opportunities potentially in 2018. We'll also look at what you should be doing to prepare yourself to trade in the new year and how you can improve your trading results in 2018. So sign up for the webinar. You don't want to miss this one. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.